Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my homemade granola. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, comment, and share the videos to your loved ones for you to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate. And let me introduce you to the ingredients. Let's get started. Here we have raisin, that is the dry grape, dry cranberries. Here we have dry apricots, pumpkin seed, we have almond nuts, sesame seed, sunflower seed, honey, my homemade Flakes coconuts. Here I'm using two types of oats, rolled oats or old-fashioned oats. The next, quick oats or instant oats. Yeah, you can use any of them, okay? Finally, I have some salt here, so I'll be making use of sea salts. Next, to begin, I poured in my honey into a pot, stir until it melts. Once that is done, turn off the heat and set aside. You can as well add some coconut oil, olive oil, or grape oil. Yeah, it also works well with it, okay? So next, in a big bowl, I poured in all my dry ingredients. Yeah, I started by adding in the oats, almond nuts, pumpkin seed, sesame seed, sunflower seed. Yeah, once I'm done, I went ahead to mix until they are well combined. So keep watching, guys. All the dry fruits will be added later, okay? So the next, I went ahead to add in the wet ingredients, that is the honey. Yeah, once added, mix until it is well incorporated or combined. But feel free to replace them with your favorite nuts or seed, okay? As you can see, we are done with the mixing, so I went ahead to season with some salt. Yeah, feel free to use any available salt around you, okay? So next, spread the mixture in a sheet pan lined with parchment paper and bake for about 10 to 20 minutes, okay? Always check on it from time to time and stirring, because the granola can go from golden brown to burnt quickly, okay? Because we don't want burnt granola. Yeah. Next, as you can see, we are done with the oats. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. Yeah, so the next, I went ahead to add in all the dry ingredients. So I started by adding in the coconut flakes, raisin, add in the dry cranberries, dry apricots. Now went ahead and mix until they are well incorporated. Yeah, once that is done, let it cool down for like 10 to 15 minutes before serving or storing it, okay? And please make sure you do not bake your granola for too long, okay? Just until it is lightly golden on top. Yeah, now it has completely cooled down. Look at how beautiful it looks. Yeah, we have different ways of making granola, but this particular method, my family really enjoyed it. Now go ahead and store in an airtight container which can last for up to a month, okay? It is very quick and easy to make. Once you start making your own homemade granola, you won't go back to store-bought granola. Honestly, guys, homemade is so much better and it is the best. And we are done. Enjoy your homemade granola. It is great with yogurt, as a breakfast cereal with milk, and on ice cream. Yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful and remain blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.